Let's cleanse the energy. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kemetic Tarot with the Nubian Oracle. I'm going to go ahead and get into some of these messages. All right, so I want to thank you for watching my video, like, comment, subscribing, sharing my videos. I'm going to go ahead and ask the ancestors and my ancestors and guides, benevolent spirit guides, angels and archangels to bless us with the messages that the collective needs at this point in time. We're going to go ahead in with my Kipper deck, and we're going to go ahead and get into some of these messages. All right, please deliver the messages that we need. What is the collective experiencing? Who are they dealing with at this present time? Who are they dealing with at this point in time? Okay, so we have a message. A message could be coming in for you at this point in time. Let's go ahead and get some more messages, please. Okay, so we had these cards jump out. We have family room, we have adjudication, and we have courthouse. Okay, so some of you guys could be involved with somebody. Also at the bottom of this deck says main female, and at the bottom is community. So I'm seeing here that you could be going to court. It could be a baby father. It could be some sort of relationship that you were involved in, a baby father, baby mother, etc. Something that has to do in regards to the family. This could be child support or something like that. You might be getting a message in regards to this about maybe some of the results or what the final decision will be, or that you will have to be going to court with this person. So I'm seeing that you're going to have to stand before a judge. You guys are both going to have to plead your case. Okay, so you guys will be involved in court. Some of you guys are already involved in court with this person. Okay, let's go ahead and get one more card, please. Just one card. Oops. All right, so that's definitely slipped out. So we're going to take the mature woman. As I mentioned earlier on, we did see main female, but we also see mature woman. So I'm seeing that there's a mature woman involved in a situation. Okay. Let's see. Let's go in with this. Let's go in with my deck over here. Let's see what's going on here. All right, can we get some messages from the Oracle deck, please? Let's get one card. Freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Let's get one more card, please. Soothing impatience. Okay, so you could be waiting on some kind of answer, some kind of result from a situation. Maybe it's been a long, drawn-out situation where you had to go back and forth in court. And so at this point in time, you're being asked to soothe your patience. There is nothing to do but wait. So yeah, you kind of are being put on pause at this point in time. It's a situation that is going to take a little bit longer than you expected or that you would like. This could have been a situation that has already taken quite some time for those of you who are in this situation involving the courthouse, going to court with somebody or things like that. So you could be somebody who wants some freedom at this point in time. You could be getting some message about freedom. You could be getting ready to get released from a situation, but you will need to wait. Okay. Let's get one more card, please. Oops. Okay, so we had a couple of cards come out. So there could be indecision. Yeah, so there's definitely blame. I accept my responsibility for my well-being. There could be a lot of back and forth and a lot of blaming. This situation could be drawn out because it could be one of those situations that's a little bit messy. You could be dealing with a messy situation. I use my intuition in all aspects of life. So it could be a little bit there could be some indecision in a situation, and that's why it's taking a long time. However, I do see abundance. I'm a limitless being, and I can manifest whatever I desire into this physical reality. So there is a lot of back and forth, a lot of blaming, a lot of confusion in a situation. Between parties involved here, maybe the judge has been taking some time to make a decision. Maybe the police officers are involved and they're taking some time to take a decision and move your case forward, or the lawyers. Maybe they can't come to an agreement or something like that. A lot of you guys could be married. This could be somebody that you're married to. And that's why it's taking a while, because it's a very complicated and delicate situation. However, I am seeing that there's going to be abundance on the other side. So at this point in time, you're being told to wait. You're being asked to wait. Okay. It's a lot of back and forth. And so I understand that a lot of you guys could be annoyed at the situation. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and pull from this deck here. If we can get one god or goddess to come forward in aid of this situation. Okay. So we have Bast, joy and pleasure. So at this point in time, while you're waiting, you're being asked to call forth Bast. Bast is very powerful. Bast is very beautiful as well. A lot of joy, a lot of beauty, a lot of happiness, a lot of pleasure, a lot of abundance is what Bast is speaking about. Okay, so this could have been a stressful situation for you that has been taking a lot of time, and it's been taking a toll as it's running its course. But it is a situation that is going to run its course, and you're going to experience some sort of freedom in the situation. At this point in time, you could be very impatient with what's going on here, and you're being called to wait, to soothe your impatience, and to bring in a little bit more of joy and more happiness and more pleasure at this point in time, because there's nothing that you can do right now except wait. Okay, so you might want to bring in Bast so that you could enjoy your life. Find the freedom in the situation, although you feel constrained or you feel stuck. Try to find some freedom in a situation by bringing in some joy, some happiness, some pleasure. Do things that make you happy. Go outside, mix with friends. Don't let the situation weigh you down, essentially. Let's get one more god or goddess to come forward, please. Okay, Selket. Magical protection. Selket wanted to come forward. Selket popped right out. Selket, number 36. Okay, we also have Bast, which is 6. Selket, 36, magical protection. So we have multiples of 3 at this point in time here. Selket, magical protection. So at this point in time, you are being protected. Okay, you do have protection in the situation, whether, going to court or whatever is going on. Could be a marriage, could be a relationship, could be your baby father, baby mother, etc. At this point in time, you are being protected. Okay, magical protection. Okay, so you are given the space and the opportunity, although you could be going through a tough time and it could be stressful, you're being divinely protected, and you're given the opportunity to just bring in joy, because you could have been down for a long time. You could have been miserable for a long time. You could have been really doubtful in the system for a long time. Maybe you didn't know that things were going to work out for you, or the outlook was on your side, but you are actually being called to bring in a lot of joy and a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness. And also, this is something that you will be experiencing. Okay, you will be experiencing some sort of freedom and some sort of relief from a situation. You'll be moving into a place of abundance, and you will be able to bask in the energy of Bast, of joy and pleasure. Okay, at this point in time, you are being protected. Okay. Let's go ahead and get one card from, let's go ahead and get one card, please. This one here. Okay, well, that came out fast. Empathetic starseed, energetic sovereignty, absorbing what's not yours. Exactly that. The situation, somebody could have put you through the ringer. Somebody could have dragged you in the situation. Perhaps you didn't even want to be here. Maybe you didn't want to be involved with the court case or anything like that, or with the judge or with the legal system. Okay, I'm seeing that you could have been absorbing somebody else's energy. A lot of you guys are being asked to move away from situations that no longer served you, and some of you guys had stayed a little bit too long, and as a result, you were experiencing some of the karma or some of somebody else's karma. Okay, you could have been told and guided to get out of the way, and some of you guys have been affected by taking on this person's karma. absorbing energy that is not yours, being involved in situations that you don't necessarily have to be a part of, with the legal system, court cases, things like that, police, lawyers, whatever. This situation could have really dragged you down. Some of you guys are dealing with narcissists who would happily and gladly take you through the legal system. So this is a situation where you're being told to have energetic sovereignty. Okay, so to cut the cords and cut ties with people, places, and things that no longer serve you, that you need to have sovereignty over your own energy and have individuality over your own energy. You could be very empathetic. You could be an empathetic starseed. Okay, and so you could have a problem with or tend to absorb other people's energies or absorb things that are not yours. So you have to be very careful about that. You need to watch out for that, and you're being guided and being instructed to, at this point in time, with the protection that is bestowed upon you, to gain a sense of self-sovereignty and individuality, okay? To know what energy is yours and what is not yours, and to release those things that are not yours, because as you could see, it's a situation that is dragging you down, okay? It's a situation that could be holding you back. This might not be your part of, this might not be meant for you, okay? But you could be in a situation which divine did not want you to be in, but ultimately you are here for a lack of boundaries, not knowing what energy is yours, what isn't, when to put down energy, how to even put down energy, okay? A lot of empaths absorb without knowing that they're actually absorbing, and they have no control of that. So that is something that you will need to master. 11:11 on the clock. Okay, so that's what I've got for you in this video. I'm gonna go ahead into the next video. Let me know if this message here resonated with you. This message is not for anybody. This is very specific to those who are going through the legal system at this point in time. Okay, like, comment,